Good news, mga mahal kong manonood. May pag-asa na sa napakamahal na singil sa kuryente. Kamakailan lang pinasiyayaan ang BSS o tinatawag din Battery Energy Storage System ng SMC o San Miguel Corporation. Nasiyayaan ito noong March 31 sa Limay, Bataan. Kasama ang ating Pangulong si PBBM. Kasama din ang Presidente at CEO ng San Miguel na si Mr. Ramon A. Napakalaking tulong to sa mga mamamayang Pilipino. Napakamahal ng kuryente ngayon at patuloy na tumataas pa. Kaya naman hindi maiwasang umaray si Juan de la Cruz. Sabi ng Pangulo, this technology is carving a distinct path towards a more energy secure and sustainable future for the country. It is clean, it is zero emission, zero water extraction, and no noise pollution. Narito ang buong pahayag ni PBBM hinggil dito.
Energy storage system. This technology is carving a distinct path towards a more energy secure and sustainable future for the country. Indeed, it promises great rewards for our country. Not only will we be able to generate sufficient, reliable, and clean energy, leading to more affordability of energy, and of course, generate jobs for our people, green jobs in the process.
Makakatulong itong battery energy storage system na magkaroon ng stability yung ating grid. Kasi bukod sa pwede silang maging parang generator na nagsusupply ng energy, pwede din silang gamitin ng National Grid Corporation of the Philippines para sa ating regulating reserves. As you know, in the Philippines, we have private sector as the main driver of our energy sector. And because of that, we appreciate from the DOE what the private sector is doing. And what we're having today is a step towards achieving our goal of renewable energy at 35% by 2030. We are committed to making sure that we achieve sustainable development in terms of energy. Meron tayong secure, available, and affordable energy for all Filipinos.
Sana nga magtuloy-tuloy ang programa na to para kahit papaano mabawas-bawasan ang sakit na bulsa ni Juan de la Cruz sa mahal ng kuryente. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para updated kayo sa aking mga latest content. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo parate.